Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing voiceover on my video. This is actually my first voiceover. So guys, bear with me if I say something and it does not correlate with what is going on the screen right now. Your girl tries everything as it goes, and there's first time for everything. So at first I used the Maybelline primer for my face. Just use that to cover up all my pores that is a little bit opening, just a little one. Then I'm going in with the L'Oreal Lumi primer to cover up my whatever is going on left on there. I'm sorry, I know I'm kind of like saying something that doesn't even go with that, but let's go that way. Then I'm gonna be spraying my face the setting spray. Then I am using the elf foundation, and this foundation, oh, it's a killer, it's $6, and I'm using the color cocoa. It's a little bit lighter than my skin, but we just have to, we're gonna make it work. We have to blend it. That is what being creative is all about. You need to know how you are going to put one and one together to to get your two. So that's what we are here for. So right now I'm going to be concealing my other eyes, and I'm using the Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn for my under eyes. I'm going to be applying the concealer to both of my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my cupid's bows, my chin, and whatever that needs to be concealed or whatever. Actually, I'm not actually using this to conceal anything under my eyes because I don't have too much of dark spot going on right there. But after foundation, we need something to lighten it up, especially when the foundation is a little bit darker or too light. You just need something to blend it all together. So right now I'm blending the whole foundation in. I'm using half of a beauty blender that I get. It's a Real Technique beauty blender. I've had it for a long time, so then it's wearing out. So I decided to cut it in two. Then after I cut it, I noticed that wow, it blends real good. So now I'm going to be contouring my face. I'm using the Black Upper True Color foundation stick, and I'm using the ebony brown, I think. I don't remember, maybe it's ebony brown, but I'm pretty sure it's ebony brown, by the way. So I'm going to be applying that to my face, and I will be blending that with the Sonia Kashuk beauty blender. Don't mind my beauty blender that is like a little bit messy, dirty. you know we've been filming, so we've actually used that to apply foundation to. It might not be in this video, but we've done that. So this is actually new to me doing this, and we are going to get there. Now I'm going to be going in with my setting powder, and I'm using the CoverGirl translucent setting powder in 115, and applying that to my under eyes. I'm going to be applying that. I'm going to be using that to set my under eye and my forehead, bridge of my nose, cupid's bow, not cutie bow, cupid's bow, and all of that, just to set it all off. I don't actually know the reason why we set face, but I think just to not let the concealer and the foundation move, maybe. So now I'm going to be, filling in my eyebrows, and I'm using the LA Girl Brow Gel. I'm using that one in dark brown. So I'm using the Morphe brush, angle brush, and spoolie. I'm using that to, fill it all in. Feel it all in. This is so weird right now, but doing something for the first time, it kind of like lose strength to me. I don't even know what to say right now, but let's just keep going, and I'm filling that in. Then after that, I'm going to be using the concealer, and that is the Elegant Pro Concealer in Fawn, the actual one that I use for my bottom, for my under eyes. I will be using that to clean up my eyebrows. I usually use Fawn and Toast. I use the Fawn, is it that I use Fawn or I use Toffee for my bottom eyebrows, and I use the Toast for the top of my eyebrows. That's how I usually, clean up my eyebrows after doing that. So I'm gonna be using the Real Technique concealer brush. I will be using that to blend out the bottom of my eyebrows. So after that, I will be using the Toast Elegant Pro Concealer in Toast to clean up the top of my eyebrows. So now I'm using the Toast to clean up the top of my eyebrows. The reason why I use this is because it's like close to my skin tone, so if I use that, so it won't give me any ash line at the top of the eyebrows. Even if you have ash line at the bottom of your eyebrows, if you're applying your eyeshadow, you can basically just, you know, correct whatever is going on at the bottom, and you can, you know, blend it all out with your eyeshadow. So after applying the concealer to the top of my eyebrows, I am blending it all out. So the next thing is to bronze up. So I'm using the Becker in Ipanema Sun. I'm using that to bronze up my face a little bit, just to give me that subtle warm look. So now I'm gonna be applying my eyeshadow, and I will be using the Milani Pure Passion palette. Yeah, I tried to show you guys with the actual palette, but the lighting is kind of like a little too bright for it. So I'm using the Morphe brush to apply my first transition shade. Then I'm just gonna apply a little shimmer shade to my eyelid. So now the next thing I'll be doing is to apply my eyeliner, and I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Curvitude eyeliner. So now I'm using my mascara, and I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara for my eyelash. So now I'm applying a little eyeshadow to my waterline, to the bottom of my eye, just to blend it all out. Then go in with a little mascara to my bottom lash. So now I'm going to be going in with my Milani Make It Last setting spray, and this is in matte. Then I will be using my Cover FX highlights and blush palettes. And after that, I'm going to be going in into the blush and apply that to my cheekbone. I really love this palette. It comes in one of my, Boxy Charm. I love it. It's so pigmented. Now I am going to be darkening out my contour, and I'm using the Dark Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette. Now I am popping in my eyelash. Applying a little highlighter to my inner corner eye. So let's go to the lip, and I'll be using the Elegant lip liner. Then after that, I'm actually using the Physician Formula lip color. I don't remember what shade that is in. Sorry guys. So now we're done. We need to put everything together. I love my braid. The videos with this braid is gonna come up very soon. I'm just being so lazy, to do it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video with me. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.